Hi, Jason with Kaman Fluid Power. And this week I'm talking to you about our build centers. So we have some all across the country, but we have two that are really close to us here in Michigan. One in Greenfield, Indiana, and the second one over in Bolingbrook, Illinois. And we do tons of things over there. We do component assembly, we do hydraulic power units, panels, lubrication systems, test stands. The list goes on and on. So whether it's a one-time, one-off project or it's production, we can help you out. We even got engineers to help you with design or redesign to make the best components for you as possible. So if this is something that you're interested in, maybe you want to get some production product off of your plate, give me a call, text, or email, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks, and have a great week.